everyone, here's Lucktalk. Welcome back Lucktalk. So right now, I'm taking you to one of the most coolest shopping mall in Chongqing, the Ring. So this mall is not just a mall, it's more like a vertical forest in the middle of city. And right now, look at this. So right now, we're at main hall. Let's go inside. Let's do it. So right now, it's shopping time, alright? Oh my god, look at this. So right now, we're right in the center of the mall. There is massive indoor rainforest, 42 meters high, home to 300 species of plants, and wait for it, a 7-story indoor waterfall. So here, the sound of water growing everywhere. It honestly don't feel like a mall anymore, alright? Look at this. Let's look around here. Let's do it. Oh my god, it's like a palace. My favorite spot is definitely indoor waterfall at night. They turn on the light show and whole forest lights up. It looks like something out of sci-fi movies, but in the best way possible. I love the feeling like this. Look around here. Okay everyone, the design here is futuristic, but also peaceful. And right now, at this moment, I'm sitting here, feel the inside here. So you can just shop, sit, or even feel the light change through glass ceiling. So it's kind of a place where you don't actually need to buy something to have a good time. I love the feeling like this. Chongqing is full of surprises, but the Ring is definitely one of my favorites.